Good day everyone, my name is JB Felicio. I will be discussing the 9 classification of dangerous goods. These are materials or items that pose risks to people, property, or the environment when being transported. Go through its class one by one. Class 1 include explosive materials like fireworks, dynamite, and ammunition. 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 They can explode easily when exposed to heat, shock, of friction. That's why they must be handled very carefully. Class 2 spark gases. This can be compressed liquid or dissolved under pressure. Example, oxygen, propane, and carbon dioxide. Some are flammable, some are toxic, and others are just compressed air. Class 3 flammable liquid include flammable liquid like gasoline, alcohol, and fin. They can easily catch fire if there heat or an open flame nearby. Class 4 flammable solid include flammable solid stainless usually combustible substances and substances that emit flammable gas when contact with water. Example are matches, sulfur, and magnesium. Class 5 oxidizing substances and organic peroxides. Oxidizer and organic peroxides. These materials don't burn by themselves but make other substances burn faster. Example, hydrogen peroxide, ammonium nitrate. Class 6 include toxic and infection materials. This can cause harm or even death. Swallow, inhale of stats. Example include pesticide, medical waste, and virus use. 7. Cover radioactive materials which give off radiation that can be dangerous to living things. They are used in the medicine and nuclear energy. Example include uranium and medical isotopes, strong acid and base that can destroy metals and human tissue. Sample of sulfuric acid and sodium hydrogen. The last one, class 9. Class 9 is for miscellaneous dangerous goods. These are materials that don't fit in the others class but are still risky. Example include lithium batteries, dry ice, environmentally hazard substances. And that's all the 9 classification of dangerous goods. Each type has special handling and transport rules to make sure every young stays safe. Thank you for watching.